Hi everyone, my name is Bruno from Thinkware Customer Support, and I'll be showing you how to connect your dashcam via Hotspot using the iPhone. So first of all, we want to go on your settings and personal hotspot. Make sure you write down this password or memorize it. In my case, the password will be Thinkware123. Once we have that password, we can open the Thinkware Cloud app. And once in the app, you'll see it says not connected, or it will say dashcam connection is required. We'll click there and click on connect with another device. From this list, we'll select your dashcam model, in this case the U1000. And this part, we'll select connect via hotspot. And first connection with the dashcam, we'll put yes it is. So our first step is activating the Wi-Fi. To do so, we'll press the Wi-Fi button on the dashcam.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
You can see that the Wi-Fi light is now flashing green, which means the dashcam is giving out the Wi-Fi signal, so we can press next. So now we'll connect to the Thinkware Wi-Fi. So we'll leave the app and go on your Wi-Fi screen. Look for the Thinkware network and connect to it. Our default password is 123456789. Once you have the blue check mark beside Thinkware, it means you're connected, so we can go back on the app.
Connected to a smartphone.
And now we'll need the password that we just wrote down before. In this case, Thinkware123. This will be the password for your personal hotspot. And we'll click on input.
Disconnected from a smartphone. The device will find a Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on your personal hotspot.
Once you hear this message, we want to go back on the hotspot screen on your iPhone and turn it on, and make sure you stay on that screen until the dashcam is connected, otherwise the connection will fail.
Connected to the internet.
Once you hear that message, we can go back in the app.
Connected to a smartphone.
And you can see that now the Wi-Fi light is a solid blue, indicating that we're connected via hotspot. And we have this pop-up saying registration complete. And we'll have also this pop-up asking you to agree to all the terms and conditions. So we'll just check mark each one and agree to all. And we're connected via hotspot, which should give you access to the file list, the dashcam, and now you have access to all your cloud features. And that should be it for today. Thank you for watching.